Kaka-open nyo lang ba ng BPI account at hindi lumalabas sa BPI app nyo? Or baka gusto nyong i-hide yung ibang accounts para hindi nyo nakikita yung balance at hindi kayo ma-tempt gumastos. Hi guys, I'm Ray, and on this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-show or hide ng mga accounts nyo in the BPI Online App. And later, I'll show you why this feature is actually useful. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't have an account yet, check out this video. If you're an existing BPI account holder with the BPI Online App, you'll notice that all your accounts, whether savings, payroll, or joint accounts, ay lumalabas sa iisang list. Pero minsan, kapag bagong bukas na account, hindi siya agad nakikita. Don't panic! Hindi nawawala yung account nyo. Naka-hide lang siya by default and kailangan nyo lang i-manage. As an example, makikita nyo dito na currently there are 7 deposit accounts showing. To manage this, punta lang kayo sa Manage My Accounts. Dito nyo makikita yung full list of your accounts, including investments and credit cards. Now, simply check the boxes for the accounts you want to show and uncheck yung mga gusto nyong i-hide. Once done, click Save. And ayun, makikita nyo na 8 yung count of deposit accounts. Now, let's talk about why this feature actually makes sense. Kasi nung una, honestly, I thought, bakit pa kailangan i-add? Bakit hindi by default nasa listahan na? Pero after using it, I realized it's actually practical. Una, security. Hindi lahat ng accounts nyo agad makikita. This is helpful lalo na if you open your app in public or may ibang tao na pwedeng sumilip sa screen. At least, hindi niya nakikita lahat ng accounts mo and your balances right away. Next is discipline. For people na madaling matempt gumastos kapag nakikita yung balances nila. This helps because pwede nyong i-hide yung mga accounts nyo like your savings or emergency fund accounts. So, they stay untouched. Out of sight, out of mind, diba? And third, less clutter. If you have multiple accounts like payroll, joint accounts, or business accounts, you can choose to show which ones you only actively use. This makes your dashboard easier and cleaner to manage. Another angle I find interesting is budgeting. For example, you follow the envelope system. One account for bills, one for savings, and one for spending. You can choose to see only one account na pwede mong galawin. That way, hindi ka malilito or mahahalo yung budget allocations mo. Also, kung may joint account kayo with your family or spouse na hindi nyo ginagamit daily, pwede nyo rin i-hide para makafocus kayo sa personal transactions. But at the same time, nandyan lang siya if you need it. Just one tap away to show again. Now, let me share a quick example. Personally, I like to hide my emergency fund. Why? Kasi dapat hindi siya gagalawin. If I keep seeing it every time I open the app, meron yung temptation. By hiding it, I treat it as hindi siya existing until dumating yung talagang emergency. And that really helps with my financial goals. So if you're trying to build discipline with money, this feature helps. So, if I hide an account, mawawala ba yung pera ko? No, don't worry, it's just hidden in the dashboard. And you can unhide it anytime sa settings. Does this affect my transactions? Nope. Kahit hidden, your account is still active. You can still deposit, withdraw, or transfer to it. What if I can't see my account even after unhiding it? This happens to some accounts, especially time deposit. So if that happens, best thing to do is to contact BPI support and verify with them. So overall, I think this feature is really underrated, but it actually gives you privacy, discipline, and focus. Hindi siya unnecessary, and it actually helps to handle your money better. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more finance, productivity, and travel tips. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!